how to delete Instagram chat from both sides. Now let's go to this airplane icon right here. And let's say we want to delete an Instagram chat by this person. Now I have sent a message to them, and in order for me to delete that or unsend that message personally is to long press this message and then click on unsend. Right here. Now I have unsent the message that I have given to this person. But if I want to delete the Instagram chat from both sides, all I have to do is to click on their profile right here and then click on options. Now once I'm on option, all I have to do is to click on report. And now I can report any problem that this chat has. Let's say I have been given by this person a hate speech right here. Now all I have to do is to submit the report, and Instagram will take action if we find that the report is factual. Now once that's done, you just have to wait and Instagram will delete Instagram chat from both sides. So that's how to delete Instagram chat from both sides. Hope we help.